What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain, a decentralized system spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced the concept of digital money that doesn't rely on a central authority, like a bank or government. So how does it work? When you send or receive cryptocurrency, the transaction is added to a block of data. This block is then linked to previous blocks, forming a chain, hence the name blockchain. Each transaction is verified by network nodes through cryptography, ensuring security and transparency. Cryptocurrencies can be used for various purposes: buying goods and services, investing, or even participating in decentralized applications. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available today, each with its unique features and uses. To sum up, cryptocurrency is a revolutionary technology changing the way we think about money and finance. It's secure, transparent, and operates independently of central authorities. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and follow. On this channel, I'll be talking about free crypto airdrops and breaking down crypto terms to make it all easier to understand.